See UniRC 10 Pro. This tutorial will cover the entire process from unboxing to basic operations. Please be sure to follow the safety regulations before operation. Unboxing. Unpack the box. The standard package includes the following accessories. For the first time use, please install the ground unit antenna properly. The top of the ground unit features USB-A, HDMI, RC data, RJ45 port. The bottom features a SIM SOLT, TF SOLT, Type-C port, audio. Please be sure to use the original charger. Using third-party chargers may damage the device. Power on. Short press once, then press and hold for 3 seconds. Power off, press and hold on for 3 seconds. When the shutdown icon appears on the screen, click the power off. Force shutdown. Press and hold on the power button for 8 seconds to force shutdown the device. Screen off, press the power button briefly while the device is powered on. Then screen will then turn off and enter power saving mode. Charging. Please use the original PD 65 watt fast charger for charging. Using third-party chargers may damage the device. Please do not use normal phone type of port chargers for charging. Fully charged. All 4 battery indicator lights are steadily lit. System language switching. When the device is powered on, swipe upward on the screen to open the application menu. Tap the settings icon. Swipe down to find the system settings. Click on language and input. Click on language and select add language. Find the language you need to add. Then drag the corresponding language to the top to switch. The UniGCS app language will also switch to the corresponding language.